Welcome there everyone to today's video. Today is going to be a simple tutorial. I'm just going to show you how to copy over MP3 files and have them being read as audiobooks in your iPhone. So simple, first things first, go to the phone icon or tab or iPad icon, come down to summary, and here you'll be seeing manually manage music and videos. Click that. Uh, As you can see, it's going to warn you that your existing content on your phone will be replaced with the content from your iTunes library. So yeah, keep that in mind before you do anything. And then after you do all of that, you just come to music, or I know that you want to copy them in the audiobooks, but they're going to show up in musics because it's just MP3. You want to pick up the content that you wish to copy. I choose this one. How Not to Summon a Demon Lord, Volume 1. Wait until it to copy over. Then right click it, song information or info. You'll come to options. Here select audiobook, go to sorting, copy this first thing here because truthfully this is all you gotta do. Copy it, paste it here, and boom, you're done. Just click OK. Give it a second while it's writing the ID3 tags. So switching over to my phone, you can see here in my books, going to my library, going to H. There it is, How Not to Summon a Demon Lord, Volume 1.
Prologue the Fantasy Mer page cross-refer.
Boom, done. Like, share, and sub, and see you later, alligator. Bye-bye.